I'll see you tonight after work, honey.
Attacks are happening at the Capitol and to civilians nationwide. However, government officials say no credible threat from China at this time. We've lost control of the drone.
Attention citizens, your social credit score reflects your commitment to societal harmony. Compliance ensures privileges. Deviation will be noted.